What up, gang? So y'all see it, we're back again with another video, man. And this is like the 4th day we've been dropping back to back, and it's only gonna keep going, man. So y'all see right here, yesterday y'all actually saw that we had a little problem with the alternator. So the alternator wasn't being charged, so it was just running off the battery. And today, your boy went and bought the new alternator, man. So y'all are finna catch that footage of us changing it right now. And we got the spark plugs. Finna do a little tune-up on here. Cause I didn't get to really enjoy my ride yesterday. We had to hurry up and come back home yesterday.
See, this one fits it right there. The spark plug. Don't disconnect this on the first one in the front.
Look at this guy. I thought he knew what he was doing.
Yeah, I did, but it's not.
No. I mean, it's kind of hard, but yeah. Oh shit! I dropped it down there. No, I dropped it down there. So yes, gang, y'all are gonna capture in this video. We're actually gonna be going back to the body shop, man. We gotta go pick up a few things from over there and discuss a few things as well.
Where is it?
Right here. Yeah, I mean, I could turn it.
All right, gang, let me cut you back. Let me get this nut together, man. Nah, we got.
What the world? That Diddy right here. Try it. That one ain't gonna work, my boy. Yeah, gang, let me turn you right back on. I'm finna call the mechanic. Gang. Hey, you leaving the hood open? You got it too crowded, my boy. I could have made it. What?
Yeah, I'm disconnecting the horn. You get to a little. It's right there, right there. It's good right there, gang. You gotta find this
All right, gang, man. So y'all see it. We're back again with the colors, man. It's the next day, same video. So, as y'all know, we were changing the alternator. So we changed the alternator, man, and we noticed it wasn't recharging, gang. So it wasn't charging the alternator up. So came to a conclusion, and it's the regulator. So now we're back at it again. Finna change the regulator. Where is it at? Right there? Look at this guy.
Well, I gotta put it in. I gotta see. Oh shit! What move? What was that? That's crazy. What move?
I don't know. I don't look.
Damn, this car is haunted or something. That's weird.
Don't lean on it.
No, I mean, what made that sound?
What's all that, my boy?
Well, we gotta get the bolt, so.
The bowl?
No, I mean the socket, I'm sorry.
What is it, a 10? It looks like a 10, my boy.
It's in a weird place. Why would they even do that right there? Yeah, it is a 10. So, where else do you see one at?
There's 2 on this side.
Let me take this off. I can't see shit. Is it right there?
No, it's not. It's right there.
We should pull the hood off just for this.
Man, no.
Where's the other one?
That one. It's right there, right below the other one. No, keep going down, straight under, right there. Go to the side.
This is crazy.
What in the world, my boy? It's right below the other one. At the bottom of the box.
Man. Stupidest thing, bro. Damn, we just lost one. And it fell right there. Here, I should record your ass doing this.
Who's the owner? You need the step stool, gang. It would probably be easier if you come on this side.
Yeah, right? I don't know what the hell that thing is.
That's the horn.
Yeah, so I knew it was down there and you said it
I
wasn't.
told you it was right below the other one. Just like that. 3 bolts and you backing the game, man.
But what is this though? We don't got this on the new one.
Yeah, you do. It's just the slides. Look at this guy. Talking about he only got this on the new one. It's crazy how they keep parts in stock for these cars.
No, not at AutoZone. We went to an old place where we stay at. You know, we're in the country, so they save a lot of these parts when they don't even sell them. But they don't even weigh that much.
Well, that one weighs a lot.
Which one?
The old one.
Yeah. I mean, it's the same shit. I don't know why they. But you know what I'm saying? These are back.
It's the difference in the middle. Come on, my boy.
You mean, come on, my boy. I got your damn boy. Where are we going, Jay? That was that one. What in the world?
But yeah, gang, what y'all think we should do to this convertible, man? Ain't too much we can do. Y'all already know we're finna bolt it up on some 4G autos. We're not going too big because we want to keep it all original as we can. Just in case somebody comes with that bag, we might sell it depending on the day.
Or we might do a giveaway.
Or if y'all want to see a giveaway. But y'all are gonna have to catch that giveaway. But yeah, man. You plugged it in?
Try to record over here. Where's the things at?
No, they're more forward.
Right there? Alright, turn it on.
Come on, gang. You know I got 2 cameras on.
Hey, everybody, Corey does it.
Gang, I got 2 hands and 2 cameras. Y'all see it. Y'all see each other.
Turn it on, man.
Look at him. He got disconnected.
Yeah. Hold on.
So, gang, I don't know if I actually showed y'all in the last video, but y'all see how the carpet came out, man? It came out 100% better because, you know, it had that sun fade. And as y'all see, all this looks like new, man, so. Okay.
The light went out?
Yeah, it did. Okay.
Charging, my boy.
Okay, we're back in the game. We'll just crop this and give you half. So we also replaced the bulbs in the back, game. Let me go ahead and turn them on so y'all can see it. The top ones weren't working, but we also replaced them. You know, just being old, man. You can't really just see them, but they are on, gang. They are on. All the lights work, man. Under the dash lights. Come on, gang. You don't get no better than this, man. You gonna put that top piece back on right now or not yet?
Yeah. Better off.
So yeah, gang, if you haven't already tuned in to the Cadillac giveaway, man, make sure y'all go get your tickets. Who don't want to win this clean, all original Cadillac sitting on 26-inch 4G autos, man? So the name of this Cadillac is Kilo. That's what Box Chevy King came up with. I think he had a subscriber and them all them like comment names down below, and he picked the best one, man. So Kilo stood out. As y'all see, the grill is customized by BCK. So I think that's what we're gonna do to the Cutlass and do the same thing, you know, do our own signature touch. We could go Tiara grill, but why not put the BCK stamp on it, man? So as y'all see, all the insides are original, no rips. Come on, man. They got the 5.7 liter V8. Let me go and show y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all in the previous videos, man, of these Oprah lights, the side lights, man. Let's see that. That makes a huge, huge difference when you got these on the old school, man. Especially when you replace them. I know it's a lot of people don't want to replace them because they want to leave it as clean as factory, but gang, you can't go wrong with them side lights. Especially at nighttime when you see this all white thing pulling up. So go get them tickets, man. You don't want to waste no time. It's going down. We're excited to see who wins this one as well, man. Y'all see Huntsville, Alabama took Blueface home. So we're looking forward to going to June Fest next year, man, because we're going to be able to see Blueface again. But yeah, gang, we got the colors back right. You gotta get this to put this back on, man. We're gonna have to pull all the old schools out tomorrow. Sunday fun day. Let's drive the Lack and the Cut Dog. That's what we'll probably do tomorrow, man. We'll probably go ahead and bring out the old schools, you know, cruise around the city. Just to get a little driving, get some little driving footage for y'all. I think that's what we'll do. I ain't gonna lie, gang. Them spokes hit different. I ain't gonna lie to you. At first I was like, but after a while, them wheels grew on me, man. I don't know what it is. I think it's probably the all chrome with the wires on them, gang. So they'll actually look good on a box Chevy as well.
You ain't got no light on the dash?
No, sir. No, sir. We do got a light. We do got a light.
I swear to God. But it's barely dim, though. Give a guess. What is that? Generator? Let's see, pop the hood.
It's over there. Shut it or leave it on. We didn't say that now. How you do this? It's still on.
No, it's charging. Look, I just disconnected the battery.
Remember last time when I was disconnect the battery, it was cut off?
Yeah.
It's probably just letting us know that it's the battery.
Yeah, the battery probably is still low.
But for sure it's working though.
Let's see if you're real smart, bro. How can you find that? Let me get
The AC belt?
Yeah.
Yeah, real simple. Just get a new belt.
It's not real simple. It has a foot. You're supposed to. So what you gotta do is here, you put a bar and push it up.
Well, bar on this one's down there.
What bar?
Very, I don't know.
Oh, I think it might be this one right here.
The bottom.
This one, listen. Where does this go? This screw.
I don't know. You just need a new belt, bro.
No, trust me, you can't just you need to. It's got a way to. You can't just put them on there like that. There's got to be a way to move that.
Oh, I see it. It's right here. The screw's right here.
Where?
The screw's right here. Bottom.
Where?
For this one, the screw's right here at the bottom.
And then let you move it.
No. I thought you were just looking for the screw. It's not slotted or nothing, so it's not like it can move.
There's gonna be one that lets it slide back up this way. But I'll figure it out. Or he's gotta pull it out. I gotta go see who's able to.
You gonna take it to him?
No, I gotta go check that one.
Yeah.
At least we fixed it.
It sounds like it's raining, but probably drizzling. But yeah, man. The Cutlass is back on the road.
We woke up late, we had a good time.
So yeah, gang, y'all see it, man. I keep getting his name wrong. Not Damien.
It's Desmond.
Desmond Bain. Yep, there you go.
Yeah, we got to meet him again at a restaurant yesterday. Huh?
Yep. Desmond Bain from the Grizzlies, man.
He's been looking for an old school, so we exchange information.
Hey, all they gotta do is stay tuned.
Just stay tuned. I'm telling you, man. But man, if you haven't subscribed to the
Yes,
channel,
sir, gang. So y'all see it. We did meet Desmond Bain yesterday at the restaurant that we were at. If y'all don't know who that is, man, he plays for the Memphis Grizzlies. So yeah, gang, stay tuned for what we got coming. It's just a whole lot of lit stuff coming, gang. Like I told y'all just gotta stay tuned because we're gonna be dropping bangers after bangers. And you don't know what the next video may be. Just stay tuned and turn the post notification bells on. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Y'all see we got the Cutlass back on the road, so you're gonna be getting some driving footage of that. But yeah, gang, next video is gonna be a lit one. Y'all are gonna be able to see the Mopar again. We're about to go check that out, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that video coming tomorrow. But like that, gang, we out to the next video.